cost of living in Dubai is having to air dry your laundry because
Oh, show this one.
most apartments don't have a dryer. Don't come with a dryer.
What? Can you show
Yeah,
it?
I can't. Yeah, I'm showing it, but it's not. I can't get
It's
audio.
no sound.
No sound, but you guys can see on the screen here that
Yeah,
she's,
if you're
drying her
watching,
clothes.
okay, so it's really quick. If you're watching, yeah, so what she's doing is that old, the old school when you used to wash and dry your clothes. You wash your clothes and then you get the old school little I don't even know what you call it. I used to have one. I remember my dad used to have one because if you like to air dry,
Yeah, yeah,
even if you have a dryer, right? He would prefer to air dry. You're not drying on the line. Like that's real old school. So you get the thing out, but at least she has it on her balcony and she's drying her clothes. Now, how you stop your clothes from, I don't know how the wind is over there, but you stop your clothes, you on a balcony. I don't know how high up she is. You know what I mean? Stop your clothes from running away, flying away on you. But that's deep. So you paying $3,000 a month and you don't have a dryer?
yeah. But look at this.